With all the daily disruptions to quote-unquote normal life amid the coronavirus pandemic, one very real concern you may have is what do you do if you're facing an eviction, whether that's a commercial eviction or a residential eviction? My name is Denise Hansen, and I'm an attorney with Lyda Law Firm's Seattle offices. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic is disproportionately impacting and affecting our various communities, families, businesses, and individuals. This past weekend, Seattle City's Council passed and then expanded a moratorium on residential evictions. And according to this moratorium, all residential evictions will be suspended for 60 days. It's possible that could extend beyond 60 days if the emergency in Seattle extends as well. What this means is that landlords cannot issue termination notices for non-payment of rent. Landlords cannot advance termination notices which have already been posted, and landlords cannot initiate new eviction actions in court. This also applies to residential evictions related to leases that have expired or will expire during the coronavirus emergency. While Washington's court system has yet to respond to this or make any changes with regard to the eviction procedure and process, the City Council's actions were followed up this week by an announcement by the King County Sheriff's Office. The King County Sheriff's Office announced that it will be temporarily halting service and enforcement of eviction actions in light of the coronavirus pandemic. This extends not only to commercial and residential eviction of tenants, but also to the foreclosure eviction of homeowners. There are indications, however, that on a case-by-case basis, exceptions may be made if there are health or safety concerns. However, the intent is to keep as many residents as possible in their residences while this coronavirus pandemic is occurring. What do you do if you reside outside of King County? Well, other communities in Washington are also grappling with these concerns, and the landscape is changing on a daily basis. It's really important to know your legal rights, especially in these unprecedented times, and especially in light of how quickly the information is changing. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. Stay safe and healthy, Seattle. We're an amazing city. We got this.